Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is the human body fueling our bodies. Today in this lecture we are discussing about the food and the type of food that we need in our daily life for our healthy lifestyle. First of all, unveiling the magic of the nutrient. Imagine your body as a high-tech machine, and the nutrients are the secret ingredient that make it perform at its best. It's important to have knowledge to fuel our body with right stuff. Meet the big three, that are the macronutrients, are the superheroes of the nutrition, and there are three superstars that help us to healthy and function well. Yeah, it's mean that these three are more important for our body fueling and give us strength to do work. First of all, that are the carbohydrates. They having a carbs, and that is present in all of the cereals like wheat, maize, grain. These all is the source of the carbohydrates, like rice. It's been that all of the cereals are including in the group that they having the carbohydrates. And the next, that are the proteins. The proteins are the second one that they are required for require our body, and the protein is present in the meat and eggs and the product that are come from the animals, like milk, like meat, egg. These all are the rich in the protein, that are the major source of protein. Next, that are the fats, and the fats are also present in the oils, and they are deposit in our body to fuel at that time that we are not eating the food, and so the fats help to in our survival in this case. First of all, we are discussing about the carbohydrate, that are the energy dynamo, and the carbohydrates or the carbs found in the food like the whole grains, that all are the cereals, and the fruits are your instant energy boosters. It's important to know that the type of the carbohydrate you choose to eat, as some are healthier than the others. For example, the healthy whole grains such as the whole wheat bread, rye, barley, corn, and or the better choice that they highly refined white bread or the French fries. They having the high energy, and they provide the energy booster to our body and provide the energy as fuel. Next, that we are discussing about the proteins, and the protein are the builders and the repair crew, and the protein like those in chicken, eggs, and the beans act as the builders and the repair crew. These ensure your muscles and tissue stay strong, and the proteins are made up of the chemical building block, that they are also known as the amino acids. Your body use the amino acid to build their repair muscles and the bones and make hormones and enzyme. They also used as an energy source in our body to become healthier and to do work with energy and with your strong body to get energy and become the healthier person. Next, that is the fat, that are the energy reservoir. Not all the fat are the created equal. with some contributing to health problems like heart disease and diabetes. Luckily, not all the fats are bad, like healthy fats found in avocado and the nuts. Act as your body energy reservoir and providing the backup energy and supporting the vital function for functions such as helping your body absorb the vitamins from food. Some of the vitamins that they are water soluble, and some of the vitamins that are fat soluble vitamins. And those vitamins that they are fat soluble, they require the fats to dissolve in our body to um, uh, mm, provide their function, and without the fats they cannot be absorbed in our body. Next, that the tiny heroes micronutrients, that the micronutrients are the vitamin and the mineral that play the unique role or well-being, like vitamin C in oranges, and also present in all of the citrus fruit, and the vitamin A in the carrot are your body super helper, keeping your immune system strong and the eyesight sharp. And the next that are the mineral, that they are the trusted body companions, like minerals are inorganic elements that are present in the soil and the water, that are absorbed by the plant and consumed by the animals. Like there are many examples like calcium, zinc. These all are important for the human body, and minerals such as the calcium in the dairy and the iron in the spinach help ensure the strong bones and the healthy blood supply, and also for the production of the blood, and that the iron is responsible for that, and the calcium that is responsible for the health of the teeth and the bones. Next, that decoding the food label. It can be a bit confusing. Try to decode food label. It's a worthwhile task in terms of our well-being, as these labels spell at the beans on which nutrients are packed into your favorite snack and the meals. Next, that in the nutshell, you are now equipped to the nutrition hero and fuel your incredible body with the right nutrients. Decode those labels and embark on the journey to healthier and the more empowered you. And thank you so much for your listening. It's I hope so this lecture is beneficial for you, and keep watching, and Allah Hafiz.